Good evening. Welcome to Gurukul of Stocks. Let's talk about Nifty and see how the Nifty is, trading. If you have been seeing Gurukul of Stocks video or if you have been associated, we have been very clear. If any, there is a breakdown in the market below 23,850. There could be a sharp fall in the market. We have been repeatedly talking about the same from Thursday and Friday. Market need to anyhow save 23,850 odd levels. If market is not able to save 23850, then there could be a sharp fall in the market of roughly 500 points. Friday was a weak day. There was a rebalancing in terms of MSA I and there was a deep fall in the market in the second half due to the rebalancing, and again there is a follow-up selling in the market on Monday. Obviously it is a weak closing. If you talk about the in terms of closing, yes, we are at a support now. Market is trading at a very critical level. Any closing in the market below 23,200 odd levels, any closing in the market below 23200 levels with an increase in VIX will open our gates of around 500 to 800 points in the market. If we start closing below 23,200 on daily basis on Nifty, so obviously there could be a downfall of another 800 to 1000 points to 600 points. So 23,200, it is a very critical and important level for the market. If there is an increase in VIX and we close below 23200 on daily basis, then we are going on a deep dive of around 600 to 800 and 1000 points in coming time. So the most critical level for the Nifty is 23,200. If we are able to save this level, obviously then we still could talk about reviving. We still talk about there is a fight between bulls and bears. But if there is a closing below 23200 levels, then the bears will take the control, and there is a deep dive in the market of around 600 to 800 points. Obviously this is not a good sign. If bulls are not able to defend 23,200, then we will be in sort of a deep trouble. We have been discussing the same thing. If there is a breakdown of 23,850, there could be a sharp fall of 23,000. There could be a sharp fall of around 400 to 500 points, and market did the same thing. Now let's gonna 1 hour chart and see what is exactly happening in the market and how could we do some sort of trading tomorrow. See on scene, if we go through 1 hour chart, market will face resistance at roughly 23550 odd levels. The first resistance the market will face will be at roughly 23,550 odd levels. Second, now market has got a very critical resistance at 23,700 to 750 odd levels. Now market has got multiple resistances. Market, the resistance has been continuously shifting. Earlier we were talking about market has got a resistance at 24,000, then it came to 23,800, then it came to 23,000 sort of 500. Now market has got the resistance has been shifting 200 to 300 points on downside. Now market has got a big resistance at roughly 23,700 odd levels. Second, market will face a resistance tomorrow roughly at 23,560 odd levels. If there is any upside in the market, we may face a resistance at 23,560. Let's go on a 15-minute chart and see how the market is looking. On 15-minute charts, when we need to take long trades, market need to comfortably trade below above 2340. Market need to comfortably trade above 23460. Market need to break the barrier which is 23,460. If market need to come down to at least 23,600, the second resistance market will face will be at 23,600. So the most critical resistance for the market for tomorrow will be 23611, and first market need to cross the barrier which is 23448. If market is able to trade above 23,448, then we could talk about a upside of around 80 to 100 points. But obviously first market need to trade comfortably above 23,448. with a bullish engulfing candle breakout on 5 minutes, a inverted hammer candle breakout on 5 minutes. These levels are very important and critical for tomorrow. On the downside, you know, any fall in the market again today day's low could take the market to 23,200, or market will face a resistance again at 23486 levels. So what we need to do, we need to wait. Market need to comfortably trade these levels. We should try and wait. Market should try and come about 23,486, and the VIX should cool off. If there is an increase in VIX, then we should try and short the market near day high or day rejection candles. Thank you. Have a good trading day. Have a good day.